This session is about adding a folder shortcut to a dialog window. This can be useful for more efficient navigation to project folders and files, especially if you're working on more than one project at a time, or if you are working on the same project day after day. There's no real reason to continuously have to navigate through the network locations to get to those project folders. You can just go through these shortcuts that you set up. Now it's also easy to remove these folder shortcuts too, so they are not permanent additions. You can feel free to put them in for short periods of time. Or maybe after the project is done, you want to remove it. That is appropriate as well. The shortcut list will appear in the Open dialog and the Save As dialog and others. Once you place the shortcut out there, you will really be placing it for all the dialogs that it's appropriate for, and you should have access there. So that being said, let's go over and create a shortcut. I'm going to go up to the Access Quick toolbar and click Open, and then I'm going to browse over to our project. So we are going to go over to the Wiz.dot folder, then the Design folder, next C3D, and then I'm going to find the 867-530-90 folder. Now, there's a real project underneath there. The other folders are there just as placement holders. Your list in a real project area is probably going to be much longer than this. Now, that being said, we are at the project here. What I want to do first is go one level above this. The reason is I actually want to make a shortcut to Civil 3D, C3D, because all of my projects are there. Now, depending on what I'm doing, I might need a shortcut to the overall area. To make the shortcut, I'm going to left-click on C3D and drag it into the blue toolbar and just drop it. Now, if you don't like where it lands, you can pick it up and move it and shift it around to where you like. There's a little line that indicates where it's going to be placed. Now I'm going to click on that C3D shortcut folder, and you notice it opens up that directly in the right-hand side. Now immediately after that, I'm going to grab the project I'm actually working on, 867-530-90, and drag that over as well. As I'm working on things, I have the choice of going to the actual project or go to C3D to get to a different project. Now once these are in place, I can come back over here and right-click on a shortcut icon and choose to remove. So right now it's saying, do you want to remove this from places? Then I'm going to say yes to that. So now it's gone. I'm still leaving the C3D folder here. I'll click on that and you'll see my projects there. This time I'm actually going to hit cancel. When I do that, you will see it says, would you like to save the changes you made to the places list? Yes. That's because most changes don't take place unless you actually pick a file to open, or actually finish the open command, or whatever command you are working on. So I'm going to click yes. So next time I go into the open command or save as, that shortcut will be available.